Hello, in this section we're going to use the calculator's graphing functions to be able to calculate the slope of a tangent line to a graph at a given point. Now, those of you taking calculus, you already know that this is called a derivative of a function. If you're not taking calculus, it's still a useful thing to know to be able to understand how your functions are being plotted and really what they are. And if you're in calculus, you can use it to really check your work on derivatives as well. So what you do here first is you have to go plot a function. And let's go ahead and right now we'll just go ahead and leave the top function there. Let's clear this one and let's clear this one. And let's go back to zoom and let's go to Z standard. So it'll plot the function in the standard layout and we'll see a function that looks something like this. So this is our x squared minus 4. It's a parabola shifted down. Now if you want to calculate, first of all let me talk a little bit about slope of a tangent line. What we're saying here is for every function that you draw, at any point on the function, let's say right here near the bottom, I can draw a line tangent to that point, which means there's a line that just barely touches this curve at exactly one point. If I were looking at the bottom, the tangent line would come and horizontally and just touch this graph at one point before going on. If I were looking over here, then the tangent line would be coming in from the top and it would just barely touch this graph at one point and go down like this. So the tangent line is the line that just skirts the surface and just touches the graph at exactly one point. So here the tangent line would look something like that. So this function in the calculate menu right here, down here that says dy divided by dx, this is basically telling you that you're going to be able to calculate the slope of that tangent line. The dy dx is calculus notation and it means derivative. So the change in y with respect to x. So we hit 6 here and it's a very easy process to do. I mean, all you do now, you're tracing the graph. And so wherever you would like to see this guy, let's say we want to calculate the slope here of the tangent line of this curve. So we hit enter and it says dy dx at this point is equal to 4.681. That's right here. So this means that if I were to get graph paper and a ruler out and construct a tangent line that just came in and touched this graph and went down like